Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to connect and mirror MacBook to your Smart TV. Download and install the AirScreen app and open it and allow the permission. So now go to your MacBook and Action Center. Click on Screen Mirroring. TV name will be shown here. Just click on, and here you can see MacBook has connected to a Smart TV and it is working perfectly and not lagging. It's working perfectly and I didn't see any lagging issue. And you can change screen also. Go to Action and your Screen and change. And here you can change Enter Screen and Windows or App and external display. So like this you can connect the MacBook with your Smart TV. The only thing is your MacBook and your Smart TV should be connected with your same Wi-Fi. If you want to stop the mirroring, just go to the Action and here Mirror and stop mirroring. Here just click on. And that's it. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.